How do you use Gemini in the UK? Intro. Hey everyone, you're sitting in your cozy living room in London, surrounded by books and a steaming cup of tea. You're working on a complex project, but you're struggling with a particular aspect. What if you could simply ask a knowledgeable assistant for help? That's where Gemini comes in. Hook, have you ever wondered how you could harness the power of AI to make your life easier? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini and exploring how you can use this cutting-edge AI to enhance your daily life in the UK. Building context. Gemini is a powerful language model developed by Google AI. It's capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of prompts and questions, making it a versatile tool for people across various fields. But how can you leverage Gemini's capabilities in the UK? Section 1. Gemini for personal use. Let's start with the personal side of things. Gemini can be a fantastic companion for everyday tasks. Here are a few ways you can use it. Learning and research. Need to brush up on your history or learn a new language? Gemini can provide comprehensive summaries, answer your questions, and even offer personalized learning plans. Creative writing. Stuck on a story or poem? Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas, generate different perspectives, and even write entire paragraphs or stanzas. Language translation. Traveling to a foreign country? Gemini can translate text, voice, and even images, making communication a breeze. Entertainment. Want to watch a movie or listen to music? Gemini can recommend options based on your preferences and help you find the perfect entertainment. Section 2. Gemini for professional use. Gemini isn't just for personal use, it can also be a valuable tool for professionals in the UK. Here are some ways you can incorporate it into your workflow. Content creation. Writers, marketers, and social media managers can use Gemini to generate ideas, write drafts, and even optimize their content for search engines. Data analysis. Gemini can help you analyze large datasets, identify trends, and extract valuable insights. Customer service. Businesses can use Gemini to provide automated customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and even resolve complex issues. Research and development. Scientists and researchers can use Gemini to accelerate their work by conducting literature searches, analyzing data, and even generating hypotheses. Section 3. Gemini for education. Gemini can also play a significant role in education. Here's how it can benefit students and teachers. Personalized learning. Gemini can adapt to each student's individual needs, providing tailored explanations, exercises, and assessments. Language learning. Gemini can help students learn new languages through interactive exercises, conversations, and translations. Research assistance. Students can use Gemini to conduct research, gather information, and even write essays or reports. Teacher support. Teachers can use Gemini to create lesson plans, generate quizzes, and even answer student questions. Section 4. Ethical considerations. While Gemini offers numerous benefits, it's important to consider the ethical implications of using AI. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Bias. Ensure that the data used to train Gemini is diverse and unbiased to avoid perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Privacy. Be mindful of privacy concerns when using Gemini, especially when sharing personal information. Misinformation. Be aware of the potential for Gemini to generate misleading or false information. Conclusion. Gemini is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your life in the UK. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply looking for a more efficient way to get things done, Gemini can help you achieve your goals. By understanding its capabilities and using it responsibly, you can unlock the full potential of this cutting-edge technology. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of AI.